In order to solve an equation that contains multiple rational expressions, we need to find a common denominator for all of the expressions. And we can do that by looking at what factors make up our denominators. So our first denominator has 2, our second denominator has the factor k minus 3, and our third also has the factor k minus 3. So a common denominator can just be 2 times k minus 3. Now we need to take each fraction and multiply it by something over itself so that we end up with the common denominator. So for 1 over 2, we want to multiply by k minus 3 over k minus 3. For k minus 8 over k minus 3, we want to multiply by 2 over 2. And for 3 over k minus 3, we also want to multiply by 2 over 2. And this is going to make it so that all of the expressions have their original value, but they now have the denominator 2 times k minus 3. Now the reason that we've worked so hard to get one common denominator is because once all of these expressions have the same denominator, we can multiply both sides of the equation by that denominator and cancel it out, thus eliminating all of the fractions. So if we multiply the left side and the right side by 2 times k minus 3, all of the denominators are going to go away, and we're going to be left with k minus 3 equals 2k minus 16 and 6, and then we're subtracting those two quantities. It's really important when you do this step to make sure that you carry through whatever operation was between your original two expressions. So now we have k minus 3 equals 2k minus 16 minus 6. We can combine like terms, and we'll get 2k minus 22. From here, we can subtract k from both sides of the equation. We'll be left with negative 3 equals k minus 22. And now if we add 22 to both sides of the equation, we will get our final answer, which is k is equal to 19.